Uh, it always surprises me in a way na talagang wala nang masabing iba pa ang mga ibang probinsya sa Ilocos Norte, especially dito sa licensure examination of doctors, no? Kung hindi talagang 100%. Oo, ang ating passing rate. And we want to continue that kind of result here in our province, and sana hindi lang sa doctors, no? Sana sa karamihan ng mga exams which we are very proud of as the chairman of the Committee on Education. To give you additional information, the Honorable Governor Cecilia Renata Marcos, and of course our presiding officer, who used to be our governor, Vice Governor Matthew Marcos Manoto, instructed the sample representation to study further yung mga grants na binibigay ng PGIN when it comes to the learners and students who really gives prestige to the province of Ilocos Norte. Kung napansin ninyo, during the previous session, we also mentioned na madami na naman tayong math Olympiads na nanalo internationally. And of course, meron tayong mga financial grants na binibigay sa kanila, but there are a lot of things more to consider. Meron tayong Math Olympiad champion noon na nabigyan ng scholarship program, full scholarship grant sa ibang bansa, and I think pinaplansya pa din. They're still ironing out the how to help this Math Olympiad of ours, kasi meron naman siyang mga ibang expenses aside from yung matriculation na doon sa ibang bansa. For exams, this year, pag lumabas ang resulta in the near future is talagang makapag 100% na tayo. We'll be very, very proud of all those who pass the different examinations, especially those who hail from the province of Ilocos Norte. So we're praying na mataas yung ating passing rate. And of course, we would like to commend ngayon pa lang yung mga examinees. Kasi we all know that when you take an exam, talagang mahirap naman to. And if you pass that exam, it's very fulfilling. And it extends the province of Ilocos Norte kung ganun nga, may mga 100% passing rate, and of course, may mga top-notch staff.